Hey there, all of you Pandamatronics. It's me, Panda, otherwise known as the Growling Panda. Welcome back to episode 4 of our Minecraft adventure, or should I say, PandaCraft. Now, you may be wondering, where is the Minecraft minimap mod that I found? Well, apparently, it's gone. I had to go back to the Optifying world, and here I am, back in my place. Hopefully Marshmallow hasn't despawned from me, otherwise I'm gonna be really sad, because I have a name tag somewhere. Where is it? I can't seem to find it. I should have had my glasses on when I could. I don't see name tag anywhere. Where is it? I don't see it. I don't see a name tag anywhere. Where is it? Where's the name tag? I'm pretty sure I had it. Yeah, whatever. Apparently, so we have Marshmallow right here. And what we are going to be doing today is we're gonna be looking for some iron. And what that means is we're gonna be making an anvil, and that will be for creating a creating the name tag that we need for Marshmallow. And on top of that, we're going to be getting some gold too. And I know the perfect place to get some iron. It's right around this corner right here, if we can get past that zombie. Well, the zombie is currently burning right now, and there are some floating flowers of the Aztec. And if you touch one of those, you'll become a unicorn. Now I know why my voice is so, like, you know, happy and stuff today. I don't know. Why are the flowers, like, glitched? The flowers are glitched today. Okay. Here's the, okay. Cave. Yeah, of course. There's a cave. Alright, so I have 2 stone pickaxes. Okay, so I do see some iron down here, and I'm gonna go get some coal too. I'm also gonna get some gold here, to create the notch apple, cause what I need for the golden apple is 8 gold blocks around a normal apple that you find in the Minecraft tree to get a notch apple. So that would be pretty well, I guess, considering for the Ender Dragon. Well, yeah, when we get to the Ender Dragon, well, everything will be nice and dandy. Okay, so, now I know what the heck this stuff is. I think that's andesite. Or I think that's diorite. Is it diorite? Apparently I can't, I'm gonna keep the lilacs, okay? Gonna get rid of that mushroom here. What is that? Diorite, yeah, that's diorite. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Am I, like, really close to the iron? I have no idea. Yep, I found the iron. Oh, boy. Oh. This is amazing. I'm finally mining for once. I'm taking a break from farming, you know, and stuff. I'm letting the crops grow in my house while you know I'm getting the stuff. I should have let that burn in lava. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Gonna have to make a bridge of dirt. And the gravity techniques, they don't really work well with this game. Apparently blocks can't float. Dirt can't float. And that's pretty much breaking the laws of physics and all that stuff. And well, that was useless. Also, I really don't care if I'm mining all the stone to get the iron. I really hope to make my house a little bit bigger. Maybe. Cause I am seriously hoping that I would have, okay, well, my pickaxe broke. I am hoping to have, my Minecraft Optifine linked in with my forge, so I wouldn't have to be ending up getting so much of this lag here. And that's pretty much the basic sum of it. So I'm gonna go back up here and spadoosh, spadoosh, and da 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 da, bow bow dun 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 dun. I don't know why I'm singing Mario. This is. Whoa! What did I just do? What in the world? My mouse is haunted. Okay. Oh, I have not enough dirt. Oh, I have another stack right here. There we go. There we go. That's enough dirt. Here we go. And boom. I'm probably guessing this stuff right here is andesite. I don't need andesite. Do I? No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't need andesite. I am happy the way I am. I seriously hope I can find some gold. And plus, I forgot how to craft an anvil. I think it's like 3 blocks up, 3 iron blocks, and 4 iron and 4 iron. I really don't know. So I need 27 plus 4. That would equal 31. I'm pretty close to that. So I need like 31 pieces of iron in total. If not, if I actually need 4 iron blocks, then I will quit recording the episode, and I'll just quit the episode. Wait, what? Oh. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. There we go. And I'm gonna get like a few extra iron just in case. Now, water. Quit ruining my day. Yep. Ah! Sorry. Wow. Literally, there is no gold in this ravine. Huh. This ravine is just full of iron. Okay, so $37. Okay. And maybe like when I have all the iron that I need, then I'll go ahead and cook that stuff up, and I'll probably pause the recording until I get back with the cave part with the gold and stuff. I need 1 more piece of iron. Now, if I was a piece of iron, where would I hide? Probably a cave. Now I'm in a cave. Actually, it's a ravine. Dang, I must have took out the whole place. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna have to use helicopter mode. By helicopter mode, I mean zoom in mode. Ah, no! Oh! What in the world? I almost... Oh my gosh. I didn't look where I was going. Oh, okay, buddy. Alright, and boom. Oh. Well, wasn't that pleasant? Okay, let's go find some gold, shall we? I'll be right back. Is it? Yep, it's still recording. Don't ask how I got this pickaxe. Well, yep, it's time to mine some gold. And maybe if we ever get a chance, we'll find some diamonds. Now, this is gonna be tough. Okay, I don't see any diamonds around here anywhere. Well, my brother just sneezed. Ain't that amazing? Yeah, remember how like a few minutes ago that I said I was gonna I was gonna say I didn't care if I had any stone. Well, forget about that now. Get rid of that right there, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be like a deeper hole somewhere. Nope. This leads straight into the same old cave. Of course, buddy. Of course. This is seriously absurd. It's seriously absurd. Like, I don't get it. What's the meaning to this? I'm also gonna have to find some crap. There's another water hole. I'm also gonna have to find out how to craft iron tracks, because that's gonna be really helpful. And just in case, I'm gonna, get some redstone. I don't need like a lot of it, but hey, and I can't pick that up. I'm getting rid of the spider eye. And I can't pick up the, let's see. Get rid of the mushrooms. There we go. And a slash kill, and hopefully, is that iron done cooking? I think it should be done. Okay. Okay, let's, okay, and I finally have a block. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's see, we can craft a banner. We do have some dye around here, I think. I'm gonna have to get some more iron, or more coal next episode, maybe. There's my brother doing his knowledge again. Okay, I'm gonna have to save, okay, so, where's my wool? Oh, there it is. And it's time to create a banner. Okay, here are my sticks. And pretty much you do it like a sign, and bam, we have a white banner. Now, I'm gonna take a regular poppy, get a rose red from that, and I'm going to take a lilac and get magenta dye. Okay. And we can make this, or not that, I guess we're just gonna have to or how about this? Can this be possible? Can this be possible? Okay? Okay. Okay. And that should be grand. Alright. And I put it on the bottom, and ba-doom! It works. Works like a charm. Well then, I know where to put this at. right outside this. Boom! We've made our first banner here. Ain't that nice, Marshmallow? Marshmallow, did you see that? Also, there is a rumor that if you get a name tag and you switch it to Toast and you name a rabbit Toast, the rabbit will get a skin. A different kind of skin. So I'm gonna have to go find a rabbit next episode and show you guys it. So right now, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, if you do enjoy the series, why not high five that like button, and let's see if we can get up to, I don't know, 5 likes. Can we go for 5 likes? I think that we can go for 5 likes, and I will see all of you Pandamatronics in the next video.